Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fix flashlight not working in Redmi device. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you are a Redmi user, then this video is for you. In many cases, our flashlight is not on or working. If you want to fix the Redmi flashlight or torchlight problem, then just go to the settings. After that, click on About Phone. Then go to System Update. If your device is not updated, then here you update your device. After updating your device, check whether is the flashlight working. If not working, then just long press the power button of your mobile and reboot your device once. After rebooting your device, I am sure your flashlight will be working. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.